Like, very different, but like you're on the stage again with like a heckler entering the chat, but a heckler that's
you feel that way.
You're like, you bought her these tickets, I'm confused.
Yeah.
This says more about you guys than it does about me.
That like a trans woman wants to be seen as a woman, that hurts you because you've had 100% of the power.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly. Or, you know, works in tandem, you know?
Right.
Absolutely.
I just love it. So we're going to talk about Thelma Todd. Do you know anything about Thelma Todd at all? Apparently in 1925. But unfortunately... feeling his whole like director's life anymore, and he was kind of all the time with Thelma, and Jewel is just like at their beautiful mansion. I mean, I guess door at 2 a.m. so she better be home right then or before then. And she was like, they danced. They always kept it unlocked, and they always kept their keys to the cars in the ignition. And she did was like, nope, she absolutely said that. It's like a clue. It is. Only weird thing surrounding Thelma's death, because for one thing, when she was but on Thelma's end, it didn't seem that way.
Most sense. Although, like, again, it just does sound, oh man. Like, what could have been I will do nothing with that.
I just solved it, guys. He's close.
I don't know if I can go that long without seeing Joe.
Joe! I gotta hit the mall a little later. You want to grab a couple of drinks and drop me off at summer camp?
Folks, come on in.
Hi.
I've never taken me out for a drink.
Of being the office nag, which is... See, it's only because I work with... Hello?
No, you should.
Welcome. Come on in.
Thank you.
Mrs. have other kids. Nope, just me, so it's way too big.
Over the phone? Oh my god. These kids are...
Cameron's wooing her with belly rubs, jewelry.